Are you saving up to buy a home? Maybe looking for ways to hit your goal a little faster? Coming up, I've got some strategies that I hope will help you a lot. Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area here on the Florida Suncoast. I hope my 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, and check out hundreds of quick tips. They're all fast, free, and easy. Now, back to our question. Are you saving up to buy a home and looking for ways to hit your goal a little faster? I've got some strategies that can help. If you're not doing this already, start budgeting and tracking your expenses, every penny. You need to know exactly what you're spending and where it's going. Then, cut down on any unnecessary purchases, even small ones, so you can put that money toward your home buying fund instead. I'm talking about things you don't truly need, no matter how small. You'll be surprised how quickly that adds up. Can you say Netflix? And if you want to take it one step further, automate your savings. Have a portion of each paycheck go into your house fund. If you have to set it aside manually, you may forget or talk yourself into spending that money on something else instead, right? So if you don't see it, you won't spend it. If you want advice from someone who's been coaching people through the home buying process for over 20 years, let's connect. I know what it takes, and I'm here to help. Finally, if you're thinking about buying a home here on the Florida Suncoast, Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area, on or near the beaches, we can help. Hit the button, subscribe to this channel below, check out homes for sale anytime at MrBeachHouse.com.